Installation Guide for the GCC Spirit LS Pro Alu Grid Cutting Table. Open the top lid and front door. Remove the X and Y magnetic rulers from the machine. There are 2 screw holes near the bottom of the working table for securing the Alu grid cutting table. Place the Alu grid cutting table on the working table. Ensure that the screw holes of the Alu grid cutting table and the working table are aligned. Secure the Alu grid cutting table with 2 thumb screws. Place the X and Y magnetic rulers on Alu grid cutting table. Close the top lid and front door. The installation is completed.